Say you own 10 different crypto coins. Does that mean you're diversified? Not necessarily. If all 10 fall at the same time, in the same amount, you weren't spreading risk. You were just spreading your money. The idea that actually matters here is called correlation. It's just a way of measuring how closely two things move together. When two assets are highly correlated, they tend to rise together and fall together. Holding both barely changes your risk, even if they have different names. Real diversification means holding assets that don't all move in lockstep. When one drops, another might hold steady or even move the other way. In crypto, one way to build this is a core satellite structure. A large base of established assets, a smaller layer of higher-risk picks, and a thin layer of stable, cash-like holdings. The base usually holds the most established, most liquid assets. They've been through multiple market cycles already, which is exactly why they tend to anchor a portfolio. The middle layer holds smaller, higher-growth positions. Because each one is small on its own, one of them struggling doesn't sink the whole structure. The thin top layer stays steady on purpose. It's less about growth and more about having something ready to use when a better opportunity shows up. That's the real point of diversification. It's not about owning more things. It's about building something that can take a hit without falling over. We break down exactly how to size each layer of this structure in the full article, linked below.